What is the difference between household glass cleaners and auto glass cleaners? Well, the difference is pretty simple. It's one ingredient, and it's the ingredient of ammonia. Household glass cleaners contain ammonia. Auto glass cleaners do not. Now, you might ask yourself, why? What's the point? Why add ammonia to this and not the other? Why not just make all glass cleaners the same? What is so special about ammonia? Well, it's very simple, really. Ammonia is a degreaser, and so they put it in the household glass cleaners to give it some grease cutting ability whenever you're cleaning your windows or your mirrors in your bathrooms. It just makes them more powerful, more effective at grease cutting, because that's what ammonia does. Now, why ammonia? Why not, soap? Well, ammonia will evaporate very fast, so you don't have to rinse afterwards. You can just spray your mirror with this, wipe it off a little bit, and you're more likely to have a streak-free finish afterwards. Whereas if you put soap on the mirror, you're going to have to get some water and rinse it off afterwards, or you're going to have streaks everywhere. So ammonia, they put ammonia in these household glass cleaners to spray it, clean the mirror, and then you're going to have a high probability there will be no residue and streaks. But it's not foolproof. Sometimes when you use this, you're still going to get some streaks. Right? And that's why they don't recommend using this stuff on auto glass, is because if you leave a residue on your windshield, well, it's going to mess up your visibility a little bit when you're trying to drive. So they recommend going the auto glass route. Now, just because auto glass cleaner doesn't have ammonia doesn't mean the product is ineffective. It still works very well. It's just these are going to be more powerful than your auto glass cleaners. And another reason they recommend using auto glass cleaners with no ammonia is because ammonia has a tendency over time to eat away at the window tint, and it will damage your window tint. So you don't want that. So that's why they recommend auto glass cleaners for automobiles and household glass cleaners for homes.